The rapid growth of our digital society is bringing life-changing opportunities to more and more people around the world. But it's also generating a mountain of e-waste, which is now growing at alarming rates. According to the latest edition of the Global E-Waste Monitor, a record 54 million tons of e-waste was generated worldwide in 2019. That's an increase of more than 9 million tons in just 5 years. And now what's even more shocking is that just 17% of that waste was collected and recycled. Recycle it all, no matter how small. That's the slogan of this year's International E-Waste Day. At ITU, we advocate for a circular electronics value chain, one that conserves our precious resources and progressively reduces the carbon footprint of the digital sector. Our new thought paper, developed in collaboration with the WE Forum and the Solving the E-Waste Problem initiative, actually addresses the need for a globally harmonized approach to the collection, recycling, and disposal of electronic products. It also offers greatly needed insights on solutions to drive e-waste collection rates that are in line with existing regulatory principles so that we can turn back the tide and actually promote a more responsible model based on reuse, on repair, and on recycling. The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has emphasized the power of digital technologies to create a better world. ITU looks forward to collaborating with our partners, with our members, so that together we can build a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable digital future.